I was just heading back to my truck there to go get a drink, and it's junk. It's clipping out. It's a pop can. Yep, it's part of a top to an open pop can. Whew, man, that skunk smells super strong, man. Oh, it's almost making me sick, man. He's somewhere back there. I do not want to get sprayed by him. Oh. I gotta go for this one. Oh, man. It's gonna be a pop can, because there's a lot of them back here. No, it's not a pop can. Oh, this could be something really good here. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Let it be a ring. Because I need to catch up with Jim. Because he's ahead now. Is it in there? Nope, it's right there. Get a twist top. It's right in there. Ah, some melted junk. Yeah. Some melted junk. Man, that skunk is stanky. Okay. There's a big tire here that's been sitting here for a long time, so this might work. I want to find out where they sat at back here, right? They had to have a bench back here at some time or another. This is something huge, but I'm gonna dig it out. I gotta know what it is, man. It's something big iron. Oh, man. Just like I said, it was big iron, man. Aluminum. Big pan. Nope, no gold coins in that one. No gold coins in that one. Okay. Iron. Oh, this is something big too. It's a mid. Oh, that's super rocky right here. Oh man, I'm not liking this one now. There we go. It's soft right there. I'll pop it out right there. There we go. Right in there. Oh yeah, that's sounding killer, man. Some junk. Some Canslaw. It is not that. And my pinpointer is my friend. Right in there. Some junk. Or is it something really good? Oh, come on, baby. Oh, the closer I get to there, it's gonna be good. Oh, man. Throw it in that tire there. All this stuff is getting leveled out here very soon. I would say in next week or so. This house is coming down, man. There's some old concrete right there. The heck is that? What the heck is that thing? So far secured. I think it's a bottle opener. I don't know. It might be a bottle opener. It's junk. I would love to. There's wood chips right here, so this is a really good spot to dig in, man. This is probably where a big tree used to be at one time. There may have been two trees here, like a stump and then a tree. I'm definitely digging this one out. I cannot pass a signal up like that, man. Oh, it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big iron, or maybe a pop can. Pop cans usually don't read up that high though. It's gotta be something big iron here. It's not. Oh, it's still staying the same, man. Oh, dude, this sounds killer, man. What do we got? Oh, come on, baby. Is that it right there? Yes, it is. What the heck? There we go. Most Improved Average League ABC Award, American Bowling Congress. Oh, look at that, man. It's a money clip, dude. Yeah, dude. Ah, yeah, sweet. See, I can't pass up those signals, man. Solid brass. I don't see any name on it. But yeah, man. Most Improved Average League ABC Award, American Bowling Congress. Oh, it's a belt buckle. Has a little belt notch right there. It's a belt buckle. Cool. There we go. There's another relic in the bag. One of many that I've gotten today. So these bark chips are a good spot to dig in, man. Yes, sirree. All right, I need to go to my truck and get some water, man. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.